Oh, sweet potatoes.
This one is
Purple
sweet potatoes. Yeah, you can
from
see
Canada.
guys.
Support that
From Canada.
Yeah. Okay.
And this one is
We call it giant sweet potato.
in giant.
Yeah, giant sweet potato. Duration of mature 9 months.
9 months.
Yeah. This one is 6 months.
This one is 6 months.
Canadian sweet potato, which is purple, 6 months.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the giant one, 9 months.
9 months.
Yeah. Okay. It's another species of potato.
Yeah.
Duration of the duration yake inakuwa ni miezi 3.
3 months.
Inachukua 3 months inakomaa.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's different from this one.
Different. This one is 9 months and this one is 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah.
So as you can see the difference
from the leaves.
From the leaves.
These are slim leaves, 3 months.
Yeah.
And